Right then, welcome and thanks for coming to see what I'm up to down in a bit of a damp and drizzly Cornwall today, but the garden needs the rain. Very simple one, and it's not going to be long. I got invited to grow some chillies for Jason over at Allotment of the Dead. He was doing 2 challenges, one for the longest chilli with Joe's Long and one for the most chillies on the plant with Eclipse. Now I thought I'll have a go at that. I've never grown chillies in my life, and to be honest, if you see the state of these, I've got lots to learn on chillies. But I always figure, you know, the first time you grow something, or is what I find, it's a real learning curve. You sort of figure stuff out. Like, to be honest, I didn't realise that I really need to stake my chillies. Hence why a lot of them, I mean, I don't think this one's even in the clip, are falling over. And I also grew most of them, I got a few at home in the greenhouse, but I grew most of them over in my other out sunny tunnel. And if you saw Monday's video, you'll have realised that the sheet's all blown off and split on that, and I've got to recover it. So they weren't in the best environment, and to be honest, I just hate going in there because it's a bit pants. And you know, I'm lucky enough to have this one as well, which is just brilliant, just brilliant. So dead simple. I ordered me chillies for Jason's challenge, and I think it was Red Dragon seeds, and they sent me a mystery packet of seeds, and I haven't got a clue what was in them. So in front of me, we've got a simple board. Actually, I'll go and zoom you in a bit, and then you can see, and then hopefully you can help me identify all these mystery chillies. Right then, so here we go with the 6 chillies. Now I'm hoping either Jason, possibly I'll tag him, and maybe Steve, the chilli prepper, who I've recently discovered, and he's going to take part in the giant onion growing challenge as well over in the USA, and I'm going to send some seeds over to him. Right, so straightforward. I do know what this one is, because this is one of the Joe's Long, or in my case Joe's Quite Short, that I grew, so I know what that one is. Number 2, these little red ones. Now everybody tells me that the smaller they are, the hotter they are. So if you can tell me what that is and how hot it is going to be, I'd appreciate that. Number 3, this is my favourite one. Look at that, orange and red stripes. How cool is that? That's got to be my favourite one. And there again, if you can help me out with what it is, it's one I'd like to get some seeds from and to grow again. We've got this one here. Now, some of the other ones of these, I started to get problems with slugs actually getting into them. So I don't know if I got one on me. What I did is I covered them with one of those fruit protection bags, and that worked really well and protected them from the slugs. This gnarly one here, yeah, I don't think it's quite ripe yet, it's still green, but if you can help identify that one, so when I eventually try it, I can figure out which one it is and whether I like it. And there again, with all of these, if you can tell me what they are and sort of how hot I can expect them to be, well, that would be great. Now, this little one here, number 6, this is a bit odd. I don't know why, it did nothing, then suddenly we've got some of these. Now, in my head, you know, we've got obviously ripe, 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 ripe. Not too sure about that, whether it goes a different colour or this one. But they were all planted at the same time. So do chilies pretty much ripen the same time? Or is this one, number 5, got a lot more to go? And number 6 is this is red as it gets. So yeah, if you can help me out, I would be very grateful. All mine I grew in 10-litre pots, badly, but I've learned a lot along the way. And the trouble is, how can I put it? Out of sight is out of mind. Is that the way? Because it was in the other tunnel, I didn't go in there very much. Yeah, they got a bit neglected, I've got to be honest. They didn't get fed properly, probably not watered properly, but I know for next time. And somebody said to me once, you can grow anything, but not everything. So, and for me, because of the type of person I am and how my head works, I need structure, and I need, yeah, sort of, yeah, structure. I need structure. I need things to be fairly simple and written down, so I go and do them. You know, it's like all my watering, I write down when I did it and blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm blabbering on now. Straightforward. We got 6 chilies. If you can name the 6, we know that's Joe's long, so don't worry about that. Name the 5 and give me some indication of the heat. That would be fabulous. So there we go. Just a little quick one on a Wednesday. Name that mystery chilli. Beauty. Thanks for watching. Hope you can help. Cheers and gone.